For a second. I come down to Austin's football practice, but earlier today I had had somebody call and say they had a copperhead at their house, and it was by their kids' playground. And I don't want no kids getting bit, so I'll give you one guess. What's in the pillowcase? Got a little baby copperhead in here, and I brought it back to come back here to let it go. Me and Lucas come back here by the river. French Broad River's over there. Hey Monica, how are you? What's up, Jesse? Got me a copperhead in the bag, son. Getting ready to let her go. So I'm gonna take it on out of here. I caught it by my hands over at the people's house. It was, like I said, it was up underneath the little kids' playhouse, and the parents needed somebody to get rid of it, so I came out and caught it. So we're gonna here, hold this.
Why?
Hold it.
Okay.
Hold it down in there and stay back. I want you to come back here. Okay? Don't hit the button. Keep it right there. We're gonna let it go down in the bucket so we can get a couple pictures of it real fast. Let me make sure he's all the way down in the bottom so I don't get bit. This is a not a very old copperhead. It's probably maybe a year old. It's only about 16, 18 inches in length. So we're gonna put him down in here real quick, and so you can see it. There he is. Probably a little mad right now. Let me see this. All right, stay back. Stay back. There he is. Stay back. They can strike. So.
Yummy, yummy.
There he is. Nat, you stay back. No, I'll hold it. There he is right there. Pretty thing. They're beautiful snakes. Pretty fat. Looks like he's been eating well. But didn't need to kill it today. I was able to catch it pretty easily and put it in the bag, and so what's up, Brian?
I'm going back to the
Getting ready to throw him out real fast. So pretty snake. They're really, really hard to see. Come here, Lucas. Come here. Actually, I went there. The lady called me and said that he was outside, so I went right over there, and I couldn't find him at first, and realized that it was sitting right up under the rock the whole time, right in plain sight. So I was able to catch it pretty easily. So I've had it for about an hour or two, so he's probably a little upset. So I'm just going to get rid of it right now and let it go on its way away from that, away from their playhouse. So let's let her out there. I didn't have to kill it today. This one isn't too bad, so let's. There he comes. As you can see, they're really hard to spot, especially when they're curled up, like he was up underneath the rock.
What do you do with it?
What I do with it? I let it go, buddy. I let this one go.
Why?
Okay. Why? Well, we didn't need to kill it today. He's a chunky one. He's been eating good. I've caught snakes all my life, Jesse. I studied these things since I was a little kid, and they've always fascinated me. I've never really had any problems with them, and I've caught many copperheads before. So Here it goes. It's gonna get on out of here now, so goodbye. Yep. Alright. Come on, Bubba.
Where are they?
Let's go.
Where are they?
He's gone. He went in the bush. Come on. Alright. That does it for me. Just wanted to share it with you guys, and be careful out there when you're out there, especially like mushroom hunting, foraging, trail walking, all that stuff. Especially out here in western North Carolina, there's a lot of copperheads out here, and there's also quite a few timber rattlers as well. So just make sure you watch what you're doing.